Understanding your audience goes beyond surface-level demographics. It involves delving into their motivations, interests, and aspirations. By unraveling these aspects, you can create content that resonates deeply, establishing a genuine connection and fostering loyalty. When you truly understand your audience, you can deliver value and effectively drive channel growth. Defining your target audience. Start by defining your target audience. Consider their age, gender, geographic location, and other demographic factors that align with your content niche. However, don't stop there. Dive deeper into their psychographics, such as their interests, hobbies, preferences, and values. This will help you create a more accurate and detailed profile of your ideal audience. Conducting audience research. Audience research is a valuable tool to uncover insights and refine your understanding of your target audience. Conduct surveys, polls, and interviews to gather information directly from your viewers. Utilize social media analytics and audience insights tools to gain a better understanding of their online behaviors, preferences, and engagement patterns. Additionally, monitor discussions and feedback on your channel and related platforms to capture organic insights. Analyzing audience data and feedback. Collecting data is one thing, but analyzing and interpreting it is another. Dive deep into the data you've collected from various sources to identify patterns, trends, and preferences. Pay attention to engagement metrics such as likes, comments, shares, and watch time. Analyze feedback and comments to gain qualitative insights into your audience's thoughts and sentiments. This analysis will unveil valuable information that can guide your content creation and strategy. Tailoring content to audience preferences. Armed with audience insights, you can now refine your content strategy. Create content that aligns with your audience's interests, preferences, and desires. Develop topics that address their pain points or provide solutions to their problems. Tailor your format, tone, and style to resonate with their communication style. By catering to their preferences, you increase the likelihood of capturing their attention and encouraging engagement. Engaging and building relationships. Building a strong relationship with your audience is essential for channel growth. Engage with your viewers through comments, direct messages, and live interactions. Respond to their feedback, questions, and concerns in a timely and authentic manner. Foster a sense of community by encouraging discussions and creating opportunities for your audience to connect with one another. This engagement helps build trust, loyalty, and a dedicated fan base. Adapting and evolving with your audience. Audience preferences and trends are ever-changing. Stay agile and adapt your content strategy accordingly. Continuously monitor audience data, feedback, and market trends to identify shifts or emerging interests. Experiment with new content formats, topics, or collaborations to keep your channel fresh and relevant. By evolving with your audience, you maintain their interest and remain at the forefront of their attention. Collaborating and leveraging audience insights. Collaborations with other creators or brands can be mutually beneficial and broaden your reach. Identify potential collaborations that align with your audience's interests and values. Leverage the insights you have gathered to create meaningful partnerships that resonate with your viewers. Collaborations provide an opportunity to tap into new audiences while delivering valuable content that caters to both your viewers and those of your collaborators. Utilizing analytics and tracking performance. Regularly analyze your channel's analytics and performance metrics to track progress and identify areas for improvement. Monitor audience growth, engagement rates, and watch time to understand how your content resonates and performs. Use this data to refine your strategies, experiment with new approaches, and optimize your content for maximum impact. The audience-centric channel. Understanding your audience is the cornerstone of channel growth. By delving deep into their preferences, motivations, and behaviors, you can create content that captures their attention, builds trust, and fosters loyalty. Stay agile, adapt to changing trends, and consistently deliver value to your audience. By keeping your audience at the center of your channel strategy, you pave the way for long-term growth and success.